Wool squishy, wool squishy. So squishy, wool squishy. Wool squishy, wool squishy, squish that wool. Wool squishy, squishy, squishy. Ooh, squishy, squishy. Wool squishy, squishy. Squishy wool, wool, squish, squish. Wool, wool, squish, squish.
Yeah. Hey there makers! Today we are looking at 5 reasons why you should try crochet. Excellent reason 1. Affordability. If you want to try something new but you don't want a massive outlay, crochet is the way to go. You really only need to purchase a hook. This is a 6.5mm K, but you can get all kinds of sizes. This one has a metal tip and a rubber handle. It's very comfy and nice to hold. You also need some happy, shiny, comfortable wool to use to make whatever it is you want to make. This is Lion brand. It is rainbow coloured. It makes me very happy just to look at it. I'll put all the details down in the description below. There's also side things that you can buy, like yarn needles or wool needles, which have larger eyes so that you can thread them easier with your chunky wools. And you can also use stitch markers like these. However, you can get away with using safety pins if you want to. So to get started, remember you just need a crochet hook and some wool. Easy! Fabulous snuggly reason! It's so cozy! And by this I also mean portable. You can take this practically anywhere. It's only a hook and some wool, so you can fit it in pretty much any bag. Take it on the train, take it to your work and do it in your lunch hour. It's all good, but the most important one for me is I like to get in my favourite snuggly chair, put my favourite snuggly socks on, get a lovely old movie on the screen with a nice cup of tea, and the fact that I can create something with my hands that is productive while I'm enjoying myself, winnie win win win. Oh, there's a healthy reason. It's meditative. And yes, I'm not going to sing the whole time, but yeah, it's good for you because it's repetitive and it can help to quiet your mind if you are feeling a little bit anxious. I really enjoy the fact that you can zone out with crochet. You can just let your hands do what they need to do. You don't really have to think too much. Obviously, when you first start and you don't know what you're doing, you have to concentrate a little bit more. But as you get to know the stitches, especially if you're doing repeated stitches, just the same ones over and over again for a good frame of time, then it is wonderful because you can really just let your mind wander while your hands are kept busy. Also, just learning something new will exercise your brain, which is only a good thing, surely. Whenever I learn a new stitch, I try and do it a good few times because I know that if I don't use it, I will instantly forget it, because that's what I do these days. However, YouTube is great for that because you can look up the stitches again every time that you forget. That is what I do. Crochet, keeping brains happy everywhere.
Zoom, 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 zoom.
Yep, this is about the fact that if you want to, you can create something from crochet really quickly. It's a super fast medium. You can create this hat that I'm making, you can do that in a day. So if you need a gift for somebody, or you are really craving a lovely scarf, then you could do that. How super satisfying is that? It's so practical, it's useful. Yet the final reason is that it is a useful, practical thing to do. You can make hats, you can make scarves, you can make bags. I mean, some people have tried crocheting swimwear in the past. I'm not saying that's the most useful thing. Don't try every single thing, but there's so much that you can make with crochet that will actually come in handy in your life. That's got to be good, isn't it? So you can feel very proud when you've made some of these crochet things. You can feel very smug in yourself at the end of the day, you can sit back and think, today, I flippin' made a hat. I flippin' made a hat. I thank you, and good night.